Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to get the object out of the inventory system without it stacking on top of each other when you exit it out of the slots, and also how to make it so instead of just one potion coming out, you'll have multiple potions if you pick up multiple potions. Okay, so to start things out, we're going to go into our inventory slot. We're going to add an event which is going to be mouse, let's say right pressed. So if we right click on the little inventory system, if image index is equal to 2, because as we can, if we go back in here, that's going to be our image index 2 right here. So if we right click on it, if it has this, then we're going to make it so it turns back into this, and we're going to spawn the potions right in front of the player. So if that happens, then we're going to say with object player instance create x plus random range, and let's say 64 and 108. Okay, you guys can make these numbers bigger or smaller if you'd like, as long as it's over the amount of how big your player is, because my player is 32, so you have to at least have it further away from the player, else it'll just keep looping back and forth. So if that y object potion, and we're going to say number, actually just potion, just to show what it will look like. Alrighty. So if we play our little game right now, if we right click, nothing will happen because we have nothing in there. But if we collect something, it will go right there. But as we can still see, it still equals the image index 2, because we forgot to do image index equals 0. Okay, so now if we right click on it, then nothing will happen. It'll just do one potion at a time. So 1, and as you can see, nothing else is happening. But we don't want potions to equal 1, so let's change that real quick. So global dot number of potions, I think it was potions or potion, I don't remember, will equal 0. Let's take a look right now. So if we go in here, number of potions, okay. So we need to add that S in there. All right, so if we pick it up, it equals 1. It's the same exact thing. If we right click, then it equals 0, and it's just 1, okay? But we cannot pick it up right now because it won't connect with it, because we don't want it to pick it back up, if that makes sense. So we're going to go back in here. We're going to say instance create object potion numbers. Okay, we're going to copy that. We're going to make another potion. Let's just duplicate that. Okay, we're going to do that. And we're going to have the parent be the potion, because if this one is touching a potion, then it's going to automatically go to image index 2. Okay, so we're going to make our little event here, global dot number. Actually, it's not going to be global. It's just going to be number of potions equals 0. So I'll explain to you why that is, because if we do our alarm right here, I forgot to add the alarm. So alarm 0 equals 1. We want this to be done as quickly as possible, just in case. Okay, so number of potion equals global dot number of potion. Okay, so at the meantime, I forgot the yes again. Okay, so at the meantime, it's going to be a number of potions equals 0 until the alarm kicks in, and then it's going to be the amount we have inside the room. So for instance, all right, so if we pick this up and we right click on it, then instead of this saying a number, we're going to have another variable. So I'll be right back. Alright, I wanted to show you guys what will happen. So if we pick this up, we right click, then it will just show how many potions are in this little stack right here. But as you can see, it equals 0, but I think I figured out what the problem is with that. It's because if we right click on our little inventory slot right here, it's because we made it so it equals 0, so it will not process over to our little potion number over here. So we're going to make it so it's underneath our variable of number of potions, because then it will calculate how many potions are in that one pile before it cancels the rest of the potions out. Okay, so if we run our game, we pick it up, we right click, and there's one potion down. Okay, we want to make it so if we touch it, it will pick up and go back inside. Okay, so we're going to go in here. We're going to, instead of saying global.number of potions, we're going to say number of potions plus equals global.number of potions. So we're going to add how many we have with us in that little pile to the potion. Okay, so we're also going to do the same exact thing right here. Number of potions plus equals global.number of potions. Okay, so let's run our game real quick. Okay, we pick up our potion, we right click, and it equals 1. And for some reason, we still can't pick it up. And I think I know what the problem is. It's probably, yep, right here. We forgot to say global.slot1 equals false. Okay, because if we pick up a potion, then it's going to say global.slot1 equals true, and we don't want it to equal true if we have everything out. Okay, so we pick it up, we right click, we pick it up again, but as we can see, it doesn't add up what we want it to be. So if we do add up more, then it's going to equal 2 right here, and it won't do anything. It's just going to equal 0, and it's going to be nonsense. Okay, so we need to switch these around, I think. I'll be right back. All right, I went ahead and switched the numbers right here, and it looked like it started to work. So if we go in here, we pick up one potion, we right click, it says potions 1, but if we pick it up, it also adds potions 1 up here, which we want. Okay, if we have 2, we right click, it is 2, we pick it up, it's also 2. Okay, we pick this one up, 3, 3, and it equals 3. Okay, so in our next video, we are going to talk about how to add these potions to our health. So if we left click on the slot, then we're going to start adding health. Okay, so please subscribe for more, and I will see you guys next time.